Okay, guys, this is take two, and the only other take I'm going to do of this. So today we are going to burn a CD. Really fun, right? So we're going to find a link. So what you're gonna want to do is you want to find like a playlist if that helps, but it can be any collection of songs you want. I'm going to go ahead and burn this album by the Taxpayers to risk so much for one damn meal. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to share. I'm gonna copy the link. And then I'm going to pull up any sort of YouTube to MP3 converter. This is just my preferred method because you can find a lot of songs. You can literally copy anything off of YouTube and burn it onto an MP3 or like onto a CD as an MP3 because YouTube, like, it just has so much stuff on there and there's so many options. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit download. It's going to download. Crazy, right? I opened up files. I'm moving that onto my second monitor so that it's not going to be distracting for other people, just so I can move stuff around. Um, and so while that's converting the video, it converted to video, and now I'm gonna hit download, and you can see I have a like that file. I'm going to go ahead and drag this into the file that I want, and then I'm going to find the next link in this series, which is "And the Damn Thing Bit Him." I hope that doesn't get copyright strike. It's like less than 5 seconds, that's right. And then I'm going to just continue on with this, convert it into an MP3, download it, move the MP3 into the correct folder, and then I will see everyone once I have all of my downloads. Okay, so once you have all of your MP3s, you're going to pull up the file right here, and you're going to kind of just, if I can get them to do this, copy, you're going to copy all of these, and put them, you're going to open your Windows Media Legacy Player, and you're going to copy all of these and put them into the Windows Media Legacy Player in this list. Obviously, I put all the numbers on mine so that I would know which order. Don't know why there's two of these in there. So I would know which order that my CD needs to be in because I would like it to be in album order. I suppose if you don't really care too much about that, you can, why is there four of them? You can kind of just put like whatever you would like. Since I am missing some of them, I'm going to pull this back up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insane work. Yeah, no, I just kind of have to make sure that I got all this ready, so give me 1 minute. Okay, so I got that all fixed up. What you're going to do now, after you have it all organized, is first I'm going to save this list as the album. So much for risk, so much for one damn meal. And well, that's because I also plan on listening to these MP3s on my computer as well. But if you're not doing this, you don't have to do that. And then I'm going to connect my CD burner to my computer, and I'll be right back when that's connected. So next you are going to, like after you've got your CD burner connected, it could be a CD player that has the burn feature. You just want to make sure that it can burn CDs. Once you have that connected, you're going to insert a fresh CD that has never been, nothing's been burned onto it before. You're going to make sure that your track list is in order, and then you're going to hit Start Burn. Some of the common issues that you'll have with this is sometimes if it's a blank CD, your reader will say that it already has stuff like burned onto it, when that's obviously a lie. Just try a couple other CDs first, brush it off, and then try it back again if those other ones don't work. Everything will get used eventually. Sometimes the readers are finicky though. So we're just going to press Start Burn, and then our CD is going to start burning. Okay, so after you're done burning your CD, it should pop up with the details on this. It'll have the track link, the track lists, like the name, whatever. You can fill out this information, and then if you put it somewhere, it will, like show up. It'll make sure that you know what the tracks are called, who the artist is, what kind of music it is. But the little compartment in your burner should pop open, and it should, like the burned CD should come out, and then you just remove that, and you can do whatever you want with it. You can put it in a case, you can play it, and that was my tutorial on how to burn your own CD. Have a good day. Love y'all.